Today we are going to discuss what is personality and we will see what are the personality theories in psychology. Firstly, let's see what is personality. Personality refers to the individual unique set of consistent behavior trait. Okay? As we know that every person behave in a different way in a different situation, which is based on his personality trait. And let's see what is personality trait. Personality trait is a disposition to behave in a particular way in a variety of situations. For example, when you encounter any situation, it depends on you how you behave on it. Either you will prefer to be moody or impulsive or suspicious, right? It's all related to the personality traits. Now let's move towards the different perspectives or the theories in the psychology. First one is psychodynamic perspectives. In this perspective, we will see the theories of Freud and Adler. Freud is also known as the father of psychology, and he gave the theory of psychoanalytical theory, which based on the five stages of the life. Next one is Carl Jung analytical psychology. His approach was different from the psychodynamic approach. He discussed about two layers in human mind, which one is personal unconsciousness and the collective unconsciousness. Next theory we are discussing is the Adler individual psychologist. Adler gave the concept of individual psychology. He was the one to introduce the individual psychology in the field of psychology, and he used the term inferiority complex, and related to that he gave a lot of different terms like inferiority complex compensation के लिए and overcompensation and a lot of things. Next one is the behavioral perspective or behavior theories. Behavior theories, we know that the D.B. Watson was the one who introduced this perspective, and behaviorism focus on the only observable behavior. They only observe behaviors and their outcome related to the environment or the individual situations. Next one theory is the humanistic perspectives, and Roger was the one who introduced this, and the work of Paul Rogers and Abraham Maslow are remarkable in this field. And we know that humanistic perspective also demonstrate on the human characteristics and their unique behavior or pattern qualities. He gave the theory of person-centered theory. Carl Rogers was the one who introduced this theory, and he focused on the self and the development of the self related to this congruence and incongruence. Last one is the biological perspective or the biological view, which focus on the human heredity factors analysis and their personality structure and all the adoption studies and twin studies. They all comprises of the biological view. So here are the end of the views or the theories of the personality.